Welcome to the Forge Sheffield, a modern sanctuary that redefines city living with unparalleled style and comfort. Discover a range of contemporary ensuites and stylish studios, each featuring a plush bed and plenty of storage to keep your space clutter-free. Enjoy seamless connectivity with high-speed Wi-Fi, perfect for streaming, studying, or staying in touch with loved ones. Step outside your door and into vibrant communal areas. Socialize in the lounge, challenge friends to a game of table tennis, or stay in shape at the on-site gym. Need a break? The spacious courtyard is the perfect spot for a stroll. Plus, with all utility bills included, budgeting is a breeze. Ideally located near Sheffield Hallam University, Collegiate Campus, and Sheffield Hallam University, your academic goals will be well within reach. The Forge offers easy access to local cafes, eateries, and transport links, so commuting is effortless. Whether it's a quick bite at Chinatown or Munchie's London Road, or a leisurely coffee at the Treehouse Board Game Cafe, or Cha-Cha-Chai, you'll find everything you need just moments away. So are you ready to elevate your living experience? Visit amberstudent.com to secure your perfect place at the Forge Sheffield today.